All new at 5 now. This pandemic has taken nearly 45,000 lives here in Florida since January of 2020.
State leaders reflected on that grim milestone earlier today. And as our Forrest Saunders reports, the summer battle against the Delta variant now moves into the fall.
For some of us, the number of cases, hospitalizations, and deaths are just metrics in the fight against this virus. But for those impacted, COVID has been an ongoing nightmare that can't be forgotten. Jamie Coleman is one of the thousands of Floridians whose family is a little smaller 20 months later.
I have lost loved ones because of COVID.
A Tallahassee mother recently telling us about the loss and saying she won't relax until the Delta surge is under control.
Just kind of like reinforces the fact that we're not out of the woods.
The CDC has Florida's latest death toll at 44,571, a 287% increase from a year ago. We rank third highest in the U.S. and 18th per 100,000 people.
Join me in this moment of silence to honor the memory of those lives, those 45,000 lives.
Ag Commissioner Nikki Fried taking a moment to honor victims Wednesday.
Thank you.
The Democrat and candidate for governor calling on Floridians to mask and vaccinate to prevent more deaths in the coming months.
We've got to do this together to get through this pandemic and make sure that we are utilizing all the tools in the shed.
And on the road, the state's governor also addressing deaths.
I think it's in a rough time. I think there's people that have been infected or have been affected all across the state.
To help, DeSantis touting monoclonal therapies. The state opening up 21 treatment centers to bolster access. 40,000 Floridians taking advantage, weakening their COVID symptoms.
I am confident that there are going to be people that are now being availed of this who are going to have better outcomes as a result of that.
Time will tell if it works. Officials hopeful as cases and hospitalizations look to be peaking. Meanwhile,
Listen to the professionals and take proper precautions.
those who've lost, like Coleman, keeping their guard up and urging others to do the same. The Florida Hospital Association is also happy about the recent declines that we've seen, but its president saying in a Tuesday statement, quote, "Good news, yes, but we must keep up the battle against the virus and focus on vaccinations." That's the latest out here at the Capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.